In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a workspace in Asana. Whether you're streamlining your project management or simply cleaning up your dashboard, it's important to understand how to properly remove a workspace you no longer need to ensure your space remains organized. So let's dive right into the steps to help you with that. Firstly, head over to the Asana website at www.asana.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account if you haven't already. Simply click on the login button. If for some reason you don't have an account yet, you'll want to start by clicking on get started or try for free to create a new account. But for the purpose of this video, we're assuming you already have your account set up. So let's continue with logging in. Once you're logged into Asana, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. Here at the top of the interface, you should see either your profile picture or the name of your current workspace in the top left corner. Click on it. This will display a list of all the workspaces associated with your account. It's from this list that you will select the workspace you wish to delete. With the correct workspace selected, the next step is to access the workspace settings. Click on the workspace name again, which will present you with a drop-down menu. From this menu, select settings. This is where you'll also find the account option that will take you further into the management area where deletion is possible. When you enter the account settings, you'll be on the verge of completing the process, but here's a critical note. Deleting a workspace is a permanent action. Asana will provide a warning to ensure you understand this. Take a moment to read this warning thoroughly. Losing a workspace means permanently deleting all associated projects and tasks, so it's wise to back up any necessary data before proceeding if you're unsure. If you've reviewed the warning and are certain about proceeding, the final step is to click on delete workspace. This confirmation will effectively remove the workspace from your account for good, helping to clear up any unwanted clutter within your Asana environment. And that's it. You've successfully navigated the process of removing a workspace in Asana. Remember, it's always a good idea to double check that you're deleting the correct workspace to avoid losing important data accidentally. By keeping only the workspaces you actively use, you'll maintain a more organized and efficient workspace dashboard. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find this guide helpful for managing your workspace in Asana.